Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you urgently needed money from a loved one or business partner overseas? The wait for those funds can feel like an eternity. Today, we're diving into the world of international money transfers and answering the burning question, how long does it take to receive money from Paysend? Paysend is a popular choice for sending money abroad due to its competitive rates and user-friendly interface. But speed is often a key factor when it comes to international transfers. Let's explore the factors that can influence how quickly you receive your funds. Factor 1. Sending and receiving countries. The distance between the sending and receiving countries can significantly impact delivery time. Transfers between countries in the same region tend to be faster than those involving continents separated by vast oceans. For example, sending money from the UK to Ireland might be completed within a few hours, while a transfer from the US to India could take a couple of days. Factor 2. Payment methods. The chosen payment method can also affect the speed of the transfer. Using a bank account or debit card typically involves a verification process that can add a few hours to the delivery time. However, credit card payments might be processed more quickly, depending on the card issuer. Factor 3. Currency conversion. If the sending and receiving currencies are different, the transfer will involve a currency conversion. This process can introduce additional processing time, especially if the currencies are less common or volatile. Factor 4. Bank holidays and weekends. Bank holidays and weekends in either the sending or receiving country can cause delays. If the transfer falls on a non-business day, it may be processed the next available day. Factor 5. Paysend's processing time. Paysend itself has a processing time for transfers. While they strive to process transactions as quickly as possible, there may be occasional delays due to system maintenance or unexpected issues. Real-world examples. Let's consider a few real-world scenarios to illustrate the potential delivery times. Scenario 1. A UK resident sends money to a friend in the US using a bank account. The transfer might take 2 to 3 business days. Scenario 2. A student in Australia needs to pay tuition fees to a university in the UK. Using a credit card, the funds could be available within a few hours. Scenario 3. A business in Nigeria needs to pay a supplier in South Africa. Due to the currency conversion and potential processing delays, the transfer might take 3 to 4 days. Tips for faster transfers. If you're looking to expedite your Paysend transfer, consider the following tips. Provide accurate information. Ensure that the recipient's details, including name, bank account number, and SWIFT code, are correct to avoid delays. Choose a faster payment method. If possible, opt for a payment method that is known for quicker processing times, such as a credit card. Avoid bank holidays. Schedule your transfer to avoid bank holidays in both the sending and receiving countries. Contact Paysend support. If you encounter any issues or have concerns about the status of your transfer, don't hesitate to reach out to Paysend's customer support. While the exact delivery time for a Paysend transfer can vary depending on several factors, you can generally expect to receive your funds within a few hours to a few days. By understanding the factors that influence speed and following the tips we've discussed, you can increase your chances of a timely transfer. Have you had a positive or negative experience with Paysend's transfer times? Share your story in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.